Have you ever considered how our world might look without bees? A world without flowers, fruits, vegetables, or even honey seems unfathomable, doesn't it? Yet, these buzzing creatures, often seen merely as picnic invaders, have a far greater role in our ecosystem than we might imagine. Bees, the diligent pollinators, are responsible for every third bite of food we take. Yes, you heard it right. About 70% of the world's most consumed food crops rely on bees for pollination. Now that's quite a responsibility for these tiny creatures, isn't it? But did you know that not all bees are honey makers? Out of the approximate 20,000 species of bees known to us, only a small fraction, the honeybees, are the producers of the sweet nectar we all love. The others, like bumblebees, carpenter bees, and solitary bees, each play a unique role in the complex web of pollination. Now, let's delve into the fascinating world of bee communication. You might think of bees as simple insects, but their communication methods are anything but simple. Bees use a unique dance language to convey information to their fellow bees. The speed, direction, and duration of their dance can indicate the distance and direction of a food source. Imagine, a whole language in dance. And speaking of communication, here's another fact that might surprise you. Bees are capable of recognizing human faces. In a series of experiments, honeybees were trained to associate pictures of human faces with sugary treats, and they were able to remember and recognize those faces later. So the next time you see a bee, remember, it might just recognize you. Bees are also quite the architects. The honeycomb structure of their hive is an engineering marvel. The hexagonal design is not only incredibly strong and efficient, but also uses the least amount of wax. Now, that's some impressive design efficiency. So to sum it all up, bees are not just honey producers. They are crucial pollinators, responsible for a large part of our food production. They are unique communicators, using dance to share information. They can recognize human faces, and they are skilled architects, building efficient and strong hives. But remember, these buzzing creatures are facing numerous threats, including habitat loss, pesticides, and climate change. Their declining numbers are a cause for concern. So, the next time you see a bee, don't just swat it away. Appreciate the vital role it plays in our world. After all, our world would be a much less colorful and flavorful place without them.